Welcome to my channel. I'm here with another educational course introduction. This course is suitable for data specialists and analysts who want to improve their skills in machine learning and big data processing with Apache Spark. It is also ideal for developers and programmers looking to learn parallel processing and large-scale data modeling with Scala. Beginners interested in artificial intelligence and big data can also benefit from this course through hands-on projects. With around 16,000 students and a 4-star rating, this course is highly successful and practical. Its current price is approximately €12. By purchasing this course, you will have full access to it and receive all future updates. The course duration is 8.5 hours, and upon completion, you will receive a certificate. What you will learn in this course: fundamental knowledge of machine learning with Apache Spark and Scala. Master machine learning through hands-on projects and execute them on Databricks Cloud Computing Service. Build for complete machine learning projects with Apache Spark. Explore Apache Spark and machine learning on Databricks. Set up a Spark cluster. Create a data pipeline, and much more. How to get this course for free and legally. First, subscribe to the channel and add this video to your watch list. Open your browser and search for discounted course ninja.com on Google. Click on the correct link in the search results and ensure the website address matches the one displayed. Once on the site, you will have access to various discount coupons for educational courses. Use the search bar to find your desired course or browse categories to explore different topics. Scroll down on the course page and click the Get the Coupon button. The discount coupon will be applied, allowing you to access the course for free. Keep in mind that coupons have a time limit. With just a few clicks, you can get this valuable course legally and for free. If this video was helpful to you, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.